In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Trello board. We'll start right from your web browser. Open a new tab and head to Google. In the search box, type Trello. Then look for the official Trello website in the results and click through. This takes you to Trello's homepage. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that the way you normally would so you can access your workspace and boards. Once you're in, the quickest path to your projects is through your workspace. Look for the Workspace option in the navigation. Depending on your screen size, it may appear in the sidebar or at the top, and click it. Think of your workspace as the hub for everything your team is working on. Boards, members, and settings all live here, so it's a great place to start whenever you're getting oriented. Inside the workspace, find and select the Boards section. This view organizes the boards you have access to within that workspace and makes it easy to jump into the right one. You'll see a labeled area called Your Boards. This section collects all the boards you're a member of or that belong to the workspace and are visible to you. It's especially handy if you collaborate across multiple projects because you can scan the thumbnails and titles at a glance. Take a moment to look through your boards. Each tile represents a board, and clicking any tile will open it. If you manage several boards, this grid can be the simplest way to move between them without extra clicks. It's a straightforward, visual overview of everything on your plate. There's also a faster, more targeted way to find a specific board. Search. At the top of the Trello interface, click into the search bar. With the cursor active there, start typing a board name, the name of a teammate who's on the board, or a distinctive keyword that appears in the board title. As you type, Trello returns matches in real time. Boards with titles that match your text will appear in the results list, making it easy to spot what you need. When you see the right one, select it to open the board immediately. That's the essential navigation flow. Open Trello, go to your workspace, browse your boards in the Boards section, or use the top search bar to jump straight to a specific board by name, member, or keyword. With these two approaches, you can move confidently through your Trello setup and get where you need to be in just a couple of clicks.